Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the TechKnot YouTube channel. If you're looking for the best Vidnoz discount coupon code, you're in exactly the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock the maximum savings on Vidnoz AI fast and effortlessly. Don't miss a second. Vidnoz is a powerful tool that transforms scripts, blog posts, or even full-length videos into engaging, shareable content. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or entrepreneur, it saves time and supercharges your creativity. Getting the best Vidnoz coupon code is simple. Just follow along step by step. No matter which subscription plan you choose, this coupon works across the board. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Scroll down to the description box below this video. You'll see a special link. Click on it. That link takes you directly to the exclusive discount page. Next, pick the plan that fits your needs and click the Get Code button. It's right there, easy to spot. Once you do that, your discount is instantly activated. And that's it. Your Vidnoz discount deal is live. Just proceed to checkout and enjoy major savings on this incredible AI-powered tool. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the link in the description and grab your Vidnoz AI discount now. Save big and level up your video content creation today. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tools and tips.